Hi everybody, I am in front of 10197 Canaveral Circle. Sorry for the noise in the background, but there's some building going on. I came out here today to add to my for sale sign the open house sign that I'm going to have an open house on Sunday from 1 to 4 so that I can advertise that there's also been a price decrease. This house is now listed at $839,990. So don't forget, if you're in the market and you have a desire to live in Grand Park, this might be the place for you. Just let me know. Give me a ring. Bye-bye.